Alright guys, today I'm going to take my kayak. We're going down through the woods. We'll go down the river, set up camp, do some fishing, do a shelter build. I have my kayak ready, I have my pack, I have my fishing poles, my tackle box. It's a little windy today, but we're gonna hit the lake, head down south, and try to find the river, creek, so we can find a shelter. So I just got back into the creek. It's a creek, not a river. And the wind's died down a little bit back here. But I think I'm gonna have to kayak for a little bit because the woods are back there and I wanna get into the woods so I can build that shelter. So this is where I'm going to camp. There's actually a nice ledge up there so I can be high and above the water. And it looks like there's a lot of flat ground for me to go and build my shelter. So this is the area that I'm going to use to build the debris shelter. I have a little Y shape, so it's perfect for a wedge. I'm going to clear this out and then I'm going to get the stick, put it in there and start building. Alright, so you can see right here, I got my area cleared. I got the stick that I'm gonna use. And now I'm gonna find some sticks to build a tripod. Should hold. Here you can see this is about the length that I'm going to use. I need 3 sticks to make a tripod to go about right here, and then I can start building an actual wall on this side. So I got these 3 for the tripod. You notice that they sit a little bit above my support bar. The reason for that being is when I extend these legs on the tripod, they're going to come down. And that'll allow for this to sit evenly. I have the tripod all set up. I switched out the support beam. Now I'm building the wall. And I have an indicator stick at the very first slant. That way I can measure what I need and then I can break them then. I need to go find some sort of material to use kind of as shingles or siding. I'm thinking of doing leaves, or if I can find a log around here that's kind of dead, I can peel the bark off and use that as siding. But I'm gonna take a look around and see what I can find. I've started to collect some leaves here to layer over the side of the shelter. So I got the final touches added. I layered the wall. Could use a little bit more, but it's not going to rain tonight. It's not going to be windy anymore, so I'm not too worried about it. It looks pretty good. If we take a step out a little bit more, it starts to really blend in. And now if I go another 20 yards that way, you almost can't see it with the brush surrounding it. So it's exactly what I wanted. I'm going to do a walk around and look at it. You see from this side, I have the wall. Sunlight's going that way, so I have some nice shade in there. I go this way, it blends in pretty well, so I'm pretty happy about that. Now I'm gonna go fishing. Here's the aggressor. Sunfish. He gets the worm and he gets off scot-free since he didn't get hooked too bad. There he is. fish. Bass over there. He's not going anywhere. Staying where he's at. I got him. Got him. This guy's a fighter. Woo! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep him on the line. Let's keep him on the line. Come on, come on. Oh, fuck. It's him. It's him. It's him. There we go. I got him. I got him this time. Ha ha ha. Oh, it's not the same one. I don't think this is the same one that I had, but here we go. That was good. Get rid of him. Oh, he's so vulnerable right now. He is so vulnerable. There's no way he's gonna resist. Oh, here we go. Got something. Another one. This one back here. This creek is just full of red-eye bass. Oof. Well, I might as well cast one more time because I still have some more in my mind. I know where he lives. It's the same one. Okay. This should do the trick right here. It's already doing the trick. Something's biting. These rat bass are really feisty. Alright. Okay. It's getting dark. Time to go collect some firewood. Start a fire. So, here we go. I'm at my little shelter right now and I got my flashlight. So I'm gonna do a little reading of The Hobbit. It's 10 at night, but I feel like this is the perfect time, the perfect place to do some fictional reading. Well, this worked out pretty well for me last night. The only thing I would do next time is probably fashion a bed because the ground was a little bit cold. But it was good sleep. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. And I can't be leaving any trace, so I'm gonna break this thing down, gather the sticks. Alright, well, this is my site, or what's remaining of the site, so everything is scattered, everything is put away. It's just, I guess it's a good habit to put your stuff away, leave no trace. Well, that was a fun little build. I'm really hoping to keep doing this, getting better at it, building cooler shelters, catching bigger fish, improving my video editing skills. So if you're interested in more stuff like this, I have a lot of new unique concepts and things that I want to do. And I'm really, really excited to keep moving on with this. So thank you for watching my video. It's been really fun making these. So yeah, we're on the next video.